Hello everyone, let's work on some shimmy drills today. This drill is suitable for beginners who are just starting to get that shimmy going and to get ready to start to work on some layering work. For that, this shimmy drill focuses on shifting your body weights while maintaining that shimmy. On top of that, to make it more interesting, I have added some hand movements which you can ignore and just do your own steps or just focus on the shimmy. By the way, this video is in mirrored view. Are you ready? Let's start! For a start, we are going to work on one leg shimmy, in which you will put your weight on the leg and then you will shimmy only on the leg that is lifted. And then you're going to do the shimmy balance of both legs. And now you're going to repeat, start on the left, right, left, and now again balance on both legs. Next up, you're basically just going to take a step to the side and then you're going to do the shimmy on both legs, but your weight is basically on the right leg. And you basically just continue to shimmy while you're moving your hands. Now shift to the other side, do the same thing. Important is to get the shimmy going while doing your hand movements. Now, you're basically going to side to side, shifting your weight to the left and to the right and to the left while maintaining the shimmy. Feel the weight change. So we're going back to the one leg shimmy, starting on the right leg. Now this time, you're going to step one step back with the flat footed on the floor on the right leg and the left is basically on a high heel, and you're doing the hip shimmy now. And now we're basically doing the weight shift again, but this time it's faster, and then shimmy, both legs, balance, and now you're up on your tippy toes to the other side. So this time, you're basically putting your flat foot on the left leg and your right leg is on the bottom of the foot, and you're doing the kick. And now again, a quick weight shift. And now back onto the thigh shimmy, and after that, up on your tippy toes. Back into the single leg shimmy, but starting on the left. After this, you're going to go diagonally to the side. You're going to do your thigh shimmy and maintain your legs. You're going to move forward as you put your weight to the back. And you're going to bend down and come back up again. And now you're going to do a slow number of steps on your left leg. Make sure you're up on your tippy toes. Try to balance yourself while you're doing the shimmy. Change to the other side. Now your right leg is going to bend and back, still on the tippy toes. Back, facing the right, you're going to do fast number steps down. Back to your tippy toes, keep the shimmy going. Change to the other side. And lastly, try to do the thigh shimmy. Shift the weight to the back. Slowly bend your body forward. And slowly come up. And
مشينا امبارح احلمنا بالعيد وفرح جديد راجع من بعيد
يا زمان أحلى زمان حقيقة كانت أو ما
بتمنى الوقت يطول. غني يا ليل